how to remove objects from video in CapCut. Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to remove objects from a video in CapCut. Alright, so let's begin. So first of all, open CapCut and create a new project. After that, click import to upload your video from your device. Then drag your video onto the timeline. Next, duplicate the clip by right-clicking on it, selecting copy and then paste. With the duplicate clip selected, navigate to the video tab and choose mask. Select a mask type like the circle mask and adjust its size and position to cover the object you want to remove. Fine-tune the mask's placement and rotation for the best effect. Preview the video to check the object removal and make any necessary adjustments. Once you've removed the unwanted object, navigate to the export option. Adjust settings like resolution, codec, bitrate, and frame rate to your preference, then click export. So that's basically how you can remove objects from a video in CapCut. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks.